Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will demonstrate testing an EPS electrical packaging mold with EPS raw material. During the design phase of this EPS mold, we had multiple discussions with the customer about modifying the drawings, particularly regarding demolding issues. Our constant pursuit is to produce high-quality EPS foam products that meet customer requirements, which is why we conducted thorough testing after completing the mold. For this test, we used EPS beans with a density of 19 kilograms per cubic meter, though the customer plans to use EPS beans with a density of 25 to 30 kilograms per cubic meter in their actual production. While the current EPS samples are acceptable, they aren't perfect due to this density difference. However, based on our testing results, we're confident that our customers can produce perfect products using the correct density materials. For more information about our EPS machines and molds, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We'll be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.